Before startup, make sure the work area is clear and the emergency stop is released. With the power off, check the TTO printhead and its locking mechanism before starting the machine. Open the printhead and inspect the ribbon path. Make sure the ribbon and rollers are seated correctly, with no obstruction. Close the printhead securely. Confirm that the carriage and slide path are free to move. Check the printhead once more in its mounted position, then close and lock it firmly before applying power. Turn the green power switch clockwise to power on the traverse control system. Wait for the HMI and the TTO printer to complete their startup sequence. Do not operate the slide while the system is moving. When the TTO display is ready, check the printer status and clear any conditions that could affect printing. A printer ribbon low warning means the remaining ribbon is low. Replace the ribbon if required before production. On the traverse HMI, check the current print position. In this example, 0 indicates the home position. The working print position shown here is 30.0. This value is an example and should match the actual machine setup. Press return to origin and wait until the position returns to 0 before starting automatic operation. Press auto run to move the traverse from the home position to the preset print position. Confirm that the slide reaches the target position smoothly and that the displayed position is stable. If the production line uses an external trigger, connect the signal leads according to the machine wiring diagram. Check the TTO printer and traverse HMI again. Both systems should be powered, ready, and free of active faults. The startup procedure is complete. Keep the print path clear and follow the machine safety requirements during production.